Without a doubt, there are a ton of moving parts that one must learn if they want to be successful selling on Amazon. But there is one step in the process that is for sure the most important, and that is sourcing. If you're not good at finding the products to resell, then you really don't have a business. After all, reselling is the name of the game. So if there's one piece of advice I can give to you, it is to really work on your sourcing strategies so that you can master this and have a ton of products to resell. So in this video, I'm going to do a live sourcing demo with you guys just to show you exactly what some of my processes look like when I'm sourcing on a daily basis. But first, if you're new here, I'm Cassandra and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On this channel, you'll find me combining my two passions, and that is teaching and Amazon. So if you're interested in learning more about how you too can be successful on Amazon, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to it for some live sourcing, and hopefully we can find some products that we can flip for a profit on Amazon. I'll start out by telling you that this is going to be a pretty fast-paced video because that's what my mind does when I'm sourcing. It kind of looks scattered and all over the place. I'm jumping from one thing to another because I use a wide variety of sourcing methods. So I'll do my best to explain things as I'm going, but it probably won't be as slow or in-depth as you're used to. However, every strategy that I use, I do cover on this channel in my videos. So if you're looking for a slower in-depth on any of my strategies, look through those videos and you'll be able to find it there. All right, so this is what a day of sourcing looks like for me. I usually like to start on Rakuten and go to hot deals. Now I'm trying to see if there's any exceptional coupons or store back that's being offered. So quickly I can see that Kohl's has 20% off flash sale. All right, so right here we have those items. You do need a code to get the 20% off, so that price is not going to be factored into the price we're seeing here. So what I'll do now is copy it into TA. We're going to go product search. The website is Kohl's. Paste the URL. You don't have to put a last page there because it's going to automatically stop on the last page anyways. And now I want to come down here and put in that we are getting 20% off. Rakuten also has 1% cash back, so you could also put that in. And then I'll make sure that my profit and ROI are at my low minimum. Remove the hazmat. I don't want to sell things that are moving slowly, so I'll put in 200,000 for the rank, and then I'll search. All right, now while that's running, I'm going to find another one. So I can also see Sephora has 30% off. So that means that now all 289 of these products, I'll be able to apply this code and get 30% off. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy that URL. We're still on Kohl's, paste the URL into the category, change my store discount to 30% off, and search. All right, that's running for me. I'm going to do the same thing. Walgreens I can see is 2% back on Rakuten, and let's see if we can find any of those percentage deals like on Kohl's. Okay, so right here, buy two, get third free on skincare. That means that all of these products, I'll buy two, I'll get the last one free. So that's about 33% off for a discount. Copy, paste the URL, and let's go down here. 33% discount, 2% cash back. Search. Let's try sporting goods. So this says that the products are up to 30% off. That means I can't run this search like I did with the other ones into tactical arbitrage. So instead what I do is use Seller Amp. What I hate about sporting goods is it doesn't show you the price until you get it into your cart. So that is kind of a little holdup that I don't like about sourcing from them. So what I do is I would right click and go to SES search, and then it's going to find that shoe for me. So I can see that the buy box is at $98. It's in the top 1%. I'm going to click to open this on Amazon, and then I'm also going to click into the product. All right, let's come down. We are at the white and the pink, and we want to see which one's selling the best. So we're going to go to variations. So ideally, I would want to get this in size 8 if possible because that's selling the best, but 8.5, even though it's not selling as fast, the buy box is a little higher right now. Let's see if they have an 8, and they do. So we'll add it to the cart, and now I can see that this is $59.99. So $59.99 sell price. Let's see what it's selling for. Size 8. All right, so the buy box for size 8 is at $97.25, $9.99, 8% sales tax in the lovely state of New York. That means that this is going to cost me $64.78. So now I can see roughly, I mean, this isn't calculating shipping to Amazon, which is about 25 cents per pound, ROI of about 16%, profit of $10. So there's not a ton of competition at that price point. So I feel like I could easily get this shoe, come in, list it for this price, and definitely get some sales on it. However, This is only estimated at 22 sales per month, so it's not a really fast mover. I might be waiting up to 8 weeks for a sale, so that's not really good. For me personally, I don't really like to sit on products for that long, but there is profit here if you want to get this product and source it. All right, let's jump into ProfitGuru for a minute and see if we can find a good storefront. So I want them to have at least, let's say 75 products, different brands, maybe 15 different brands, be in the US, ratings up to maybe 500. Let's filter it low to high. So now I'm just going to start clicking into each of these sellers and see what they're selling. So we have some knives, a sewing machine, some knives again. I see a lot of this Shun brand. That might be something to look into for maybe like a wholesale account. So this product looks interesting. It has kind of a high price point, a little higher than I typically go for. The sales rank looks really good, so it looks like these are selling. So let me open this on Amazon. I first want to make sure that I can actually sell this brand. So it looks like I can. That's good. Now let me click here and see if I can find it on Google. So we have 6.5 Shun Cutlery. Come to shopping. So there we have it from Target. That definitely is not going to make us a profit. So yep, that's no good. Let's try the next seller. Lots of Adidas. Clinique, I like selling that. So some stuff that I'm gated in, some stuff that I like to sell. So I'm going to open this one up onto Amazon. There might be some profit here. All right, let's go down, see all products. And I'm just going to export all of the ASINs. Pretty quick to do with ASIN Gadget here. And I'm just grabbing and scrubbing this whole storefront and grabbing all of the ASINs at once. All right, so I have that CSV file ready. We'll go to reverse search this time and upload that file. It's not going to take in any accounts for like promo codes I could use online. So I always make sure that this is set super low to take that into account. And now let's search that whole storefront. I also want to find some Hot Wheels that I can get for Q4. So we'll search and then export all of the ASINs for Hot Wheels. So now we're going to do the same thing with that file. Reverse search, Hot Wheels, and search. So this is typically what I first do. I will upload and start a ton of different scans using a variety of methods into Tactical Arbitrage and let it load the data for me. Some of the scans can take a long time to load. So then something I might start doing is just looking into specific listings. Wow, that's a lot of Amazon data, offers. We'll go over to first scene, and I'm trying to find somebody that's been on this listing for a while. So 12 months, I'd be Amazon.com. This Trinity Alliance has been on for 9 months. So clearly they've had success selling this, and they probably have other items that they could be successful selling at too that I could replicate. So I want to check out their store. Hit the little square here, see all their products. Let's check this one out. I like to pull the sellers up in Seller Amp. So I'll find the sellers down here. And then let's check out this one. The reason why I like to pull it up into Seller Amp is because I can see all of the brands that they're selling right here. So I can see the seller sells a ton of Hello Mellow. We can click on that. So that is clothing. I'm not really interested in that. Fit Kicks. So by pulling them up into Seller Amp, this is also giving me some other brands that maybe I've never considered before that I want to look into. Lots of shoes. Rubbermaid. And then I also have my filter set in Seller Amp that what I want back from profit, it'll tell me what the max cost is in order to get that. So clearly I can see from looking at this, I'm not going to be able to find that product for $3.17. So that's going to be no good. These ones are telling me negative, so those are a no-go. So none of those products work for me. Rechargeable LED headlamp. Let's see if we could find that real quick on Google. Seems like there's a lot of different headlamps. There's the one, $19.99, and that's the price it's going for, so clearly that's not going to work. All right, let me jump here real quick to my search manager. So my Kohl's search is still in the queue. It's only found 2 products so far. Let's go to the completed. We have our reverse searches here. 2 products added to this one. 4 to that one. Kohl's one added 10 products. So now I can start looking and see what they pulled. So it's a lot of jumping around and going back and forth. And then I'll start in one place, find a good seller maybe. It'll lead me to somewhere else. And it's just a lot of going around wherever the products take me. This looks like the same product. $4.97 profit. Good sales rank here. Let's jump into it. $20 on Amazon. So $12 on Sephora. These were the ones that were 30% off. $12, 30%, 360, minus 360 times 0.08. So about $9 for that. Come back here and adjust the cost price to $9. So that's not bad. 144 sales per month. I'd be getting 47% ROI on this product for 27. See if it's steady. The buy box is really steady. So I know even though it's dipped a little bit, I mean, it's not going much below that $20 price point, and I can really count on it selling for that. So this is definitely a product to pick up. Right here we have eyeliner. Looks the same. $25.25, $13, about $9.82. We'll come down 130 sales, source price of $9.82. So that's definitely a good one here. 19 shimmer navy. That one's for the matte black. So I need to find the shimmer navy. There it is. So definitely make sure that what you're sourcing matches up to the product description and you're getting the exact same one, the exact same type, the exact same volume, everything has to match. So that's also a good source. So this is exactly what I would do now, just what you're seeing me do. I did all of my searches first. I will upload as many as I can, maybe the first hour of sourcing, and then the next 4 or 5 hours, I will look at the data and see what I can sell. Seems like a lot that they're pulling up for this Sephora sale is really good. Let's check one more together. That seems really cheap, $12. So that's not going to bring back much profit, selling it at that $14 mark. And the buy box doesn't go much past maybe $16, $18. So that one I'm not going to get. So this is exactly how I spend my time sourcing every single day. I will look and see where I can find deals for the day, load as many searches as I can into Tactical Arbitrage, and while Tactical Arbitrage is doing its thing, that's when I will go to ProfitGuru, find some sellers, look into Seller Amp with their data, and see what I can find and Storefront stock while my TA data is loading. Then I analyze it all. I hope this was helpful for you guys and you can see what a day sourcing for me and what my brain does and what I look for while I'm trying to find products to sell on Amazon. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.